Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at rupees 1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.
Yes, and we were supposed to do our final story today. Yes or no? Yes, so today is the last second class. So we have one class today and one more class in the one more class tomorrow. Okay. So yes, and those who are saying why don't we have your last class? Yes, we had. We never had a holiday. We did every class. We have all the classes. We have not even skipped anyone. So those who have skipped, that must be your misunderstanding. So let's make sure you all are logged into your code.org. We are going to start up our next level, which was your create a new story. Stage 17. Create new story. Just a moment, I'm sending. And I guess we had already started. So how many levels we have done it in that? So this is my screen. So this is create a story. Now we have already done a lot of things over here. So let's start it. So what was the last one? I guess let's start it from here. Okay, so it says, can you write a program to make the octopus say hello when it is clicked? So when it is clicked, we need to say hello. So we need to attach it to this event block, run it, click on the octopus, it will say hello. Yes, we have done this one. I had not clicked it, so it is not showing this. Reset and run. I need to type. I haven't typed. So you need to say hello over here. Done. So let's move on to the sixth one. Ta-ta-da. In this sixth one, we have already done this one. You need to make your penguin move to left, right, up and down. So over here, so whenever the left arrow is there, so you need to make it left. If you need to go right, you need to make it right. If you need to go up, so move up. If you need to go down, just make it down like this. So run it. So if you just see this waddle, waddle can go up, waddle can come down. Okay, waddle can go left and waddle can go up. So we have done this one. Now puzzle 7. Now it is saying that we need to repeat forever. So let's move up and let's move down. So run it. So we need to move down as well. So reset and run. So all of these levels were already done. So those who have doubt in the 7th one, those who are saying doubt, they can cross check. Okay. So let's move on to the next one. So let's start this 8th. It says, can you have your waddle say ouch and play a hit sound if he runs into the dinosaur and then move him with the arrows to make that happen? Okay. So what these waddles, these penguins are actor number 1 and they already have their up, down, left and right arrow. When you just scroll down, you will have one more block which says whenever the actor 1 is touching actor 2. So whenever it is happening, what you need to do, you need to say ouch, correct? Over here, you need to say ouch, and it should play a hit sound. So add a hit sound to it. Okay, HIT hit. So let's hit it. Now run your code and let's move. If it is touching up, it will say ouch and hit. Hit sound will be there. So let's move on. The next one. So do you want me to just stay on this page for a while? So I'm here. Those who are typing, this is my first class beta. This is our last second class. We are going to have one more class and the whole course will be done by that. We have covered everything. We are just creating the final animation. Only 3 levels are remaining. That's it. So level 8 is also done. So let's move on to level number 9. It is saying, can you add a block to to score a point when Waddles run into the octopus and then move him with the arrows until you score? Okay. So to score a point when the Waddles runs into the octopus, if you just scroll down, you will say there is one more block when actor 1 is touching 3. So if it is touching, it needs to score 1 point. That's it. So let's run it. Let's move it. If it is running onto this octopus, it should say ouch. Sorry, it should score a point. So just check. So I hope it's clear to each one of you. Done. So let's move on to the next one. Let's see the 10th one. It is saying, can you add blocks to change the background and speed of the Waddles and move him with the arrows until you score? So the arrows are already coded. You need to just change the background and the speed of the Waddles. If I want to change the speed, so you can change the speed by using the fast or slow block like this with the when run. So if I want to make it very slow, so let's see. So run it. See, it is so slow. How many times you need to click on this? And if you are making it very fast, so it will go really very fast. Okay, so see. So you can set the speed, you can set the background, whatever you want. So I'll again stay at this page on 10th level and then we are going to start on the 11th one.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at rupees 1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.